Hey everyone, back again with another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can solve the problem. Problem is that when you something purchasing in your app store and you may face that pop-up like verification required before you can make purchase. So you have the pop-up in your app store. So you have to resolve that issue in your iPhone. So simply you have to follow the steps to fix that issue. Simply just tap on settings and you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. So you just simply just go to general, just tap on a general and just scroll down and just find a VPN and device management, just tap on that and just simply disconnect the VPN from here. Simply you have to just go back and just go to the app store of your iPhone, just tap on the app store and just go to the profile section, just tap on that and simply you just have to go to the profiles account section of your iPhone, just tap on that and just wait for a second for the loading. And they require a password, just type require a password, type a password of your iPhone Apple ID. After that, just simply you have to just go to the manage payment and also make sure that the country region in which you currently live, just like I'm living Pakistan, so just I'm gonna update the region here, just tap on that country and region, just tap on that and just wait for the second for the loading and just scroll down and just find a country and just tap on that and just type a continue, just agree it. And here you just have to just type a credit card, debit card and update your payment method here. Just type a street, your billing address and also phone number and also your name. Just type a done and your problem gonna solve. So you may face that problem and sometimes just update your payment method and your problem gonna solve. So that's just a video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech